How to download Geometry Dash on PC. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you have to go to any web browser. This time I'm using Google web browser, and then you just have to search BlueStack. So you can download Geometry Dash on BlueStack. Okay, so you can click any of the following here, but I suggest that you would click the very first link that you can see, especially if you see BlueStack download. Okay, tap this one. And then here you can see this option, download BlueStack. Then you will see above if it's starting to download. Okay, so you just have to wait for a couple of minutes, seconds, I don't know, it depends on how strong your internet connection is. And then once done, you just have to simply open BlueStack application. You can go to the search menu and then type BlueStack. Now this is what it looks like, and now you just have to go to the search icon and then search Geometry Dash and then click search, tap search, and then you can see here any options. You just have to tap this one and then click install. So that's it. And that's how you download Geometry Dash on PC. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.